Okay, now we have another type of attribute, stored and derived. So we will start with an example. If we consider student database, we have SID, name and date of birth. So whatever we are storing here, for S1 for SID, John for name and date of birth, these all are stored, actually stored or physically stored in a database. So whenever date of birth is required, it will be directly retrieved from this database. Now if in any application, if we need age of a particular student, then in that case we will have to derive age from this stored date of birth. So age will be derived attribute. So how we will derive it? Whenever we require age, we will subtract today's date minus date of birth. We will subtract date of birth from today's date. We cannot store directly age into database because my present age will not be same after 1 year. So we will have to store date of birth to make database flexible. So now coming to the definition part. Stored attribute are actually stored in the database. For example, date of birth. But derived attributes are physically not stored in the database. They are derived from stored attribute. Generally, these derived attributes are variable in nature. They are variable in nature, that's why we don't store, we derive it dynamically from stored attributes.